Diwali Special, crispy homemade Poha Chivda recipe for beginners, affordable and delicious snack. Namaste everyone. Welcome back to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel. With Diwali just around the corner, it's time to add some extra sparkle to your celebrations. And what better way to do that than with a delicious homemade snack? Today, we've got a special Diwali treat for you, crispy homemade Poha Chivda. So, let's dive right in and learn how to make this mouth-watering snack. But before we begin, if you haven't subscribed to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with our latest recipes. Now, let's get started. Diwali, the festival of lights, is a time for joy, laughter, and of course, delicious food. Poha Chivda is a popular Diwali snack that is not only easy to make but also budget-friendly. It's the perfect munching option for guests, family, or just for yourself as you celebrate this auspicious occasion. Let's begin with the ingredients you'll need for our crispy homemade Poha Chivda. Poha, flattened rice, 2 cups. Peanuts, ½ cup. Cashews, 1/4 cup. Raisins, 1/4 cup. Curry leaves, a handful. Mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon. Cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon. Turmeric powder, ½ teaspoon. Red chili powder, ½ teaspoon, adjust according to your spice preference. Sugar, 1 tablespoon. Salt, to taste. Oil, 3 to 4 tablespoons. Now that we have all our ingredients, let's move on to the preparation. 1. Poha preparation. Start by rinsing the poha under cold water. Drain any excess water and let it sit for about 10 minutes to absorb moisture. 2. Frying the peanuts, cashews, and raisins. In a pan, heat a tablespoon of oil. Add peanuts, cashews, and raisins. Fry them until the peanuts are golden and the cashews are slightly brown. 3. Tempering. In the same pan, add a bit more oil if needed. Once hot, add mustard seeds and cumin seeds. Let them splutter, then add curry leaves. 4. Poha cooking. Add the soaked poha to the pan and mix well. Sprinkle turmeric powder, red chili powder, sugar, and salt. 5. Combining ingredients. Now, add the fried peanuts, cashews, and raisins to the poha mixture. Mix gently to ensure the flavors blend together. 6. Final crisping. Spread the mixture evenly on a low flame and let it crisp up. Keep stirring occasionally to avoid burning. This should take about 10 to 12 minutes. And there you have it, our crispy homemade Poha Chivda is ready. The kitchen is filled with the delightful aroma of this Diwali delight. Ingredients and preparations methods are in the description box. You can enjoy Poha Chivda with a hot cup of tea or serve it as a munching option during Diwali get-togethers. It's crunchy, flavorful, and addictive, your guests will love it. Tips and tricks. Before we end, here are a few tips to make your Poha Chivda perfect every time. 1. Make sure to rinse the poha thoroughly and let it sit for a while to absorb moisture. 2. Keep the flame on low while crisping up the mixture to avoid burning. 3. Adjust the spice level according to your preference. 4. Store in an airtight container to keep it fresh for a longer time. That's a wrap for today's Diwali special, crispy homemade Poha Chivda. We hope you try this recipe and add it to your festive celebrations. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Wishing you all a happy Diwali filled with joy, light, and of course, delicious food. Until next time, happy cooking. Thank you for joining us on our multi-recipes and cookeries channel. If you have any questions or if there's a specific recipe you'd like us to cover, Let us know in the comments below. Stay tuned for more exciting recipes, and don't forget to subscribe our multi-recipes and cookeries channel. Happy Diwali! Thank you very much crispy homemade Poha Chivda lovers.